In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through QuickBooks to manage your bank transactions efficiently. This step-by-step guide is designed to help you get the most out of QuickBooks while ensuring you maintain clear and organized financial records. Let's jump right in and get started. First, we need to access QuickBooks, so open your preferred web browser and type in the QuickBooks homepage URL, or simply search for QuickBooks online and click on the appropriate link. If you already have a QuickBooks account, you should log in using your credentials. Once you are logged in, you will see the QuickBooks dashboard. This dashboard is your central hub, providing an overview of your business's financial health. Familiarizing yourself with this layout is a great starting point for ensuring that you know where everything is as you work through your financial tasks. Now that we're in QuickBooks, the next step is to navigate to the section that handles bank transactions. On the left-hand side of your screen, you will find a dark navigation menu. This menu helps you access different features and sections of QuickBooks that you may need for managing your business's finances. From this menu, click on the option labeled Bank Transactions. This section is dedicated to all the banking activities linked to your QuickBooks account. Once you've clicked into the Bank Transaction section, you'll be presented with a detailed view of all your banking activity. This includes incoming and outgoing transactions, allowing you to track money flowing in and out of your accounts efficiently. Here you can verify each entry, match it to records in QuickBooks, and even categorize them to reflect different types of expenses or income. Doing this regularly helps ensure that your records are accurate and up to date. As you work through, be sure to regularly review these transactions to check for accuracy. You might also find discrepancies or uncategorized expenses. Take this chance to reconcile any mismatches, correct errors, and make sure everything is as it should be. A handy tip: make use of QuickBooks' auto-categorization feature, which can speed up the process by learning and predicting categories based on your past inputs. But remember, it's always a good practice to double-check these automated categorizations to maintain precise records. With these steps, you should have a good foundation for managing and ticking off your banking tasks in QuickBooks. Regular checks and organized entries ensure that your financial picture is always clear and current, which is incredibly helpful come tax season or when making critical business decisions. That's all for today's guide. By following these instructions, you'll be on your way to mastering bank transaction management in QuickBooks. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need a refresher. Happy bookkeeping!